Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Oculus account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create Oculus account, what you need to do is simply download the Oculus app, which is also known as the Meta Horizon as well, or you can also open it on your browser by simply on the search bar typing in create Oculus account, then tap on the Meta Store link that is shown to you. Now once you are here, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and here tap on sign up or log into Meta account. Then here enter your email address, create a password and fill in your name, birth date and gender, and then once done, read and agree to the terms of the service or privacy policy, and lastly you'll find the option on the bottom which says create account. Now you may be asked to verify your email by clicking a link sent to your inbox. All you gotta do is enter in the code that is given to you and your account will be verified. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.